Today is going to be a vlog and we have some really exciting things to include in it, a lot of new things, and I'm just going to get straight into it because I'm really excited to show you guys. I actually got a new coffee machine and we've been wanting one for quite a while, so let's go. Okay, so before we get to the coffee machine, right now I'm going to show you this external filter. So it's for the large tank with the fancy goldfish in it, the cold water. So just enjoy seeing me unpackage this now. So for breakfast I have got a waffle with a bit of chocolate on it, and sorry about the washing machine, it's just been turned on so I can't really turn it off, but I wanted to show you this new coffee machine. It's the Oblo or Oblo, so it's that one, and it has come with this, and it's like a little bit of information about all the different flavors and where the coffee comes from and stuff like that. And obviously they do hot chocolate and stuff on this brand. They do quite a lot of really nice tasting coffees. There's a few of the other ones, like showing you which other ones to get. This is the old one we had, and this bit's coming off, but we've had it for 3 years, so I'm not really that surprised. And then in this they show you how to use it, and then how high to put for each hot drink. So today I'm thinking of having the cappuccino because that's what we have. We also have this new thing here, and it's a coffee pod holder, so how satisfying is that? So normally I do have these flat whites, but we only have 2 left, so I thought I might dig into Mum's cappuccinos today because she normally has that. So I'm just gonna take one of these out, and I love this coffee pod holder. It works really well, and it just makes everything look nice and tidy and well put. So there's that. And I'm going to try and show you what to do. So there's the water on the back there, you put the water in, and then here's the on switch. Got the pod in there, pull this up, and then pull that back down like so. And then a cup today, we are going to have this one, because I'm having a cappuccino and it is so satisfying to watch the milk go in and then watch the coffee go in. So there we go, and then now the pod's in, so I'm just going to turn this and it'll work its magic. take out our coffee and we drink it. So I don't have any sugar in my coffee, but I do mix it to make sure they are together, so it doesn't taste milky at the bottom and strong with coffee on the top. So we're just going to mix those in and we're done. Alright guys, so I'm going to sit down and talk a little bit while I eat my waffle. So I'm really happy with the product, and obviously the coffee machine, it is really easy to use, and I like how you can stop it anytime. Before with the other coffee machine you couldn't stop at any time, it goes all the way, but now you can choose how much milk and stuff you need. So with the old coffee machine, it was about 3 years old, but like I said, it was coming off and it was leaking water, and it put a lot of water in our drinks, so we didn't really like it. But now that we have the new coffee machine, hopefully everything should be alright and it won't be full of water. So I'm just going to try it. And yeah, it's amazing. It's really hot. I'm sure I just burnt my mouth, but it's good. So now we've done the coffee machine part of this video. We're going to be moving on to the pet part of this video. So this video is sort of a vlog, sort of like a new things happening updates video, but I hope you guys enjoy the pet side of this video and all the new pets. Hi guys, so it is the next day, but we are on to the pet side of this vlog. Mum has brought a new fish tank, so I'm just going to show you guys that. So here is the tank, and it looks really cool. And then I'm just going to turn the light on so you can see a bit better. But so this is the overview of it, and this is what we feed them, because we've actually got shrimps. I think you can see one there. And then we have 5 blue ones, and we have 1 yellow one, and then that right there is actually a snail. So we have a snail in there also. It's like an underwater snail, but we got it from the tank and stuff from the brand Superfish, and the tank came with the lights, the pump, the thermometer and the heater. So that's really cool. Just going to turn the light off now, but we have this nice driftwood thing, and then these nice tall plants, quite a lot different breeds and species and that, and then we have moss ball here, so that's pretty cool. So yeah. Broken alone, I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me, hold your hand while the pain was over, keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Hi guys, okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe for more, turn on post notifications so you know when I upload, comment down below butterfly if you are watching to this point. I'll put it on the screen if you don't know how to spell it. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, crystal_nana2, which is also on the screen, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.